In this video, you'll learn how to set layout in Placker boards. You can have a better understanding of specific aspects of your project by creating filters or changing the layout of your board. You can change the layout of the board by clicking Set Layout on the top right corner and selecting how you want your list to be separate. For example, if we click Board by Member, we will have one list for each member, and in each of these lists, you can see the cards that are assigned to that person. Notice that in this case, we have a card that is assigned both to Sarah and to Sam, which is Testing. If you click and drag a card from one list to the other, you will change the member that is assigned to that card. Another way to view the layout in a different way is clicking Set Layout and List Board by Label, so we will have a list for each label of your cards. The list that a card was a part of before is showing now as an attribute of that card. To go back to default view, click Set Layout and click Default Boards and Lists. This way you can switch between layouts depending on the type of information that you're analyzing right now.